सभी को ओम नमस्ते सुप्रभातम and shuru karte. Right? So before we begin any yoga abhyas practice, it's very important that we start the morning prayer. Right? So let us join our both palms together. हाथों का करतल भाग एक दूसरे के ऊपर अच्छे से प्रेस करेंगे और जो हमारा अंगूठा है दोनों हथेलियों के अंगूठे CD17 conviction vessel. This point is known for the heart center, right? We need to press it in the clockwise motion for some time, so just to have this intimation, to give that nice pressing, and also having the mental notion that to mentally get prepared for the 1 hour yoga. I would request everyone to mute. So I've muted everyone. For if you wish to ask your doubt, for if अगर posture नहीं समझ आया तो आप unmute होके पूछ सकते हो. Yes, I am going to keep it very simple. English, Hindi, Marathi, Konkani, सभी languages, किसी भी language में आप पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है? Even Sanskrit too. Okay. So let us now close our eyes together. आंखें बंद. मन शांत. सहज. So आपका body का posture या तो वज्रासन में, सुखासन में, पद्मासन, किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन. So this vajrasan is when you just allow your buttocks to sit on the calf muscles, right? Arrange yourself such that the spine is neutral. So there should not be any hunch, okay? Spine is very much neutral. Deltoid shoulders rolled out. Let's take a deep breath in. And we'll chant 3 times Om Bij Mantra, followed by Vedic Gayatri Mantra, and then Mahamrityunjay Mantra. Let's start. स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. हरि ओम. Relaxing the facial muscles, relaxing the arms. Let us now rub our both palms together. अपनी दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में घर्षण करेंगे. दोन्ही हातांना बऱ्यापैकी एकमेकांवर पूर्णपणे रब करून ती ऊर्जा डोळ्यांवर, पापण्यांवर लावावी. Let that heat get absorbed by the eyes. Let that heat get pressed on the eyelids and we'll start opening the eyes slowly. Namaste, Suprabhatam, and let's begin. So, before we start with any yoga abhyas, it's very important that we loosen up the joints muscle region, right? So, let us start by going for the micro exercises. Okay? So, let's get seated in the Sukhasana. If you are not in this position, let's be in the Sukhasana is when you just allow your both the soles of the feet to go lie down on the floor. And with this comfort, let us start from the top to the bottom. Okay, so we'll begin by first allowing the head to go behind and forward. So when this head region, जत्रूर्ध्व भाग जैसे ऊपर पीछे जाएगा, श्वास हमें अंदर लेना है और वो अंदर भी कैसे लेंगे, पूरा भरते हुए, right? So let's take it through the nostrils. Yes, through the nostrils. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Breathe out. Tuck the chin to the collarbone. Hanuvati. दो छातीच्या collarbone कडे लावावी. So try pressing the chin to the collarbone. As you exhale down, empty out the stomach also, right? Exhale completely. Take a deeper breath in. Try stretching the neck muscles behind. Exhale down. Stretch once over again. Exhale down. Let us now allow the neck to go to the normal position, samasthiti. श्वास भरेंगे और बाएं और दाएं मुड़ने का प्रयास करेंगे. So once we take a deep breath in, let's move towards the left side, allowing the sternocleidomastoid muscle, which is there holding the neck region, holding the head region, right? Allowing it to really stretch, opening up the pranic blocked energy in the sidelines. Yes, take a deep breath in and shift towards the left side completely, allowing the trunk to stable. To be stable, only we are shifting the neck completely. Exhale, come back to the center. Breathe in and shift towards the right. Allowing a nice stretch to happen in this big, very important muscles. There are two muscles which hold the head region, right? which are called, जिसका नाम ही बहुत बड़ा है, sternocleidomastoid. Let us come back to the center, because why? This is it connects the sternum region and the mastoid. This is the mastoid part, right? So it connects both of them. It's very important that we allow this region to really get flexible and mobilize it in its range of motion. Because अगर यहाँ पे stiffness होती है, it ultimately turns into cervical pain and that stiffness, right? So it's very important that we allow timely movement of these neck muscles, because जो भी हम tension लेते हैं, pressure लेते हैं, stress होता है, वो सारा penetrate यहाँ पे रह के हमारे कंधे जाम हो जाते हैं. That's why it's sometimes known to do the rolling of shoulders. So let's roll the shoulders, allowing your deltoid muscles, trapezius muscles, latissimus dorsi to really engage. Try rolling and allowing the movement to happen in the clockwise order. Yes, so try rolling and rotating. Allow. So consider these ball and socket joint to make a circle. Consider करें कि ये आपका pen है and you have to make this nice circle. Try inhale for the half circle, exhale for the another half circle. Inhale, so you may keep your both the hands on the knee so that you get an extra support in the practice. Allowing the intercostal muscles of the abdomen also to engage in the process of breathing. Allow each and every cell of the lungs to really breathe in its maximum capacity. So जब हम ये प्रयास करते भी हैं, हमारी जो पीछे के मसल्स है, there is this trapezium shaped muscle, four-sided shaped muscle, which is also getting engaged. So try making your spine, keep your spine neutral, है ना, erect रखना है, hunch नहीं करना है, erect. And try making other way around, anti-clockwise. Let's do this anti-clockwise. Other way around. Yes, and release. Great. Let us now allow our biceps and triceps region to really extend out. Yes, take a deep breath in and allow your fingers to press the deltoid muscles. Take a deep breath in. Stretch the arms so that they are at the shoulder level and parallel to the ground. Yes, stretch out. तो एक अलग सा कंपन महसूस होना चाहिए जब हम हथेली को बाहर की तरफ ले जा रहे हैं. Allow that some imaginary body is stretching you out. Yes. Try now. Stretching completely. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale. Curl it in. Curling the fingers in, we are also relaxing the forearm muscles. Yes, forearm nerves and muscles. Take a deep breath in and stretch out. Exhale. Curl the fingers in. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. Great. Let us now allow the sidelines, oblique muscles, intercostal muscles, latissimus dorsi region to really engage in the process of breathing. So we'll try and make a circle of the hand, making a big circle. So as we make the big circle, we have to inhale deeply for the half circle, exhale deeply for the another half. So we are just loosening up the joints, right? So in the process of loosening up, we should also make sure that we allow this very good expansion of chest muscles and the heart, lung, organ region. And exhale the other way around. Exhale the other way around. Keep doing. Yes, so make sure that your hands are not like bended. Don't bend at the elbow region. Keep it straight. Yes, and let us now drop the left hand on the floor. Dropping the left hand on the floor, we'll try to now touch the elbow. Okay, so जैसे हम श्वास भरेंगे, raise the right arm, get it close to the ear, bicep कान से सटा के रखेंगे और श्वास छोड़ते हुए we'll try to slide and shift towards the left side. Make sure that your position is very much in one plane, right? You should not be going forward nor backward, very much comfortably in a proper one plane position. Great. Let's stay here for some time. Let me watch क्या हो रहा है. 3, 1, 2, 3. Trisha, समझ आया ना? Trisha, unmute yourself. Yeah. So if any issue, you can always ask me, right? You are able to see my video proper? Everyone? So try staying here for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She is the youngest one in our class. 5. And Meena ji is the eldest one, but still young in the body and mind. Yes. We are as young as spine is. हमारी रीढ़ की हड्डी जितनी सॉफ्ट और लचीली होगी उतना ही हम जवान होंगे. Why is that? Because that is the major point where all this penetration of energy happens. So we'll learn all these things step by step. I hope everyone has come to the center. Everyone come back to the center. Great. Let us now shift towards the right side. Let's stay here for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Inhale, come back to the center. So when we go down, we have to exhale, and when we come back, we have to inhale. राइट सो ये ऐसे रहेगा हमेशा. जब भी आप आगे की तरफ झुकोगे तब हमें श्वास को एक्सहेल करना है, और जब हम पीछे जाएंगे मतलब वापस आएंगे या फिर पीछे जाने का प्रयास करेंगे उस टाइम पे हमें इनहेल करना होता है. ठीक है. लेट अस नाउ प्रोग्रेस फॉरवर्ड, मतलब मोर ahead to the stomach region and the lower leg region and the back, all other parts. So we started with the head. Let's move ahead to the tabletop position. So let's attain the tabletop position. अगर आपको कमर में कोई भी तनाव महसूस भी हो रहा होगा तो भी निकल जाएगा. So let's attain the tabletop position जहाँ पे हम इस स्थिति को मार्जरियासन भी कहते हैं. So make sure, okay, so I'll arrange myself in this position, forward also. So make sure both the hands are in line with the both legs. So they are like very much parallel to each other. And with this, let us now allow the back region to really curl in, and as that it makes an arch. तो जैसे ये आर्च करेगा, श्वास भरते हुए गर्दन को पीछे ले जाते हुए हमें बटक्स को ऊपर ले आना है. So how you have to do? Inhale, allow yourself to really stretch up. ये प्रयास अगर आपको कमर दर्द है, शरीर में कोई अकड़न है तो भी कारगर है. To release the blocked energy. Yes. Breathe in. Stay there for some time. Breathe in, stay there. Exhale, bring it down so that you are allowing your self to really touch the chin to the collarbone, chin touching the sternal notch. And here we are allowing ourselves to stay here for some time. Once again, breathe in. Expanding the muscles. Let's try to stretch. So जब आप ऊपर की तरफ जाते हो रहे तो उस टाइम पे भी एक अंदर ही अंदर वो pressure generate होना चाहिए that we are allowing these muscles to go in and the back muscles to stretch in the process. Let's take a deeper breath in and come back to this exhale and come back to the center. Great. Last few rounds. Take a deep breath in and inhale. Head up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Nice. Exhale down. Great. Awesome. So let us now allow the right foot to go up. So हम करेंगे अब व्याघ्रासन का अभ्यास. So श्वास भरते हुए let us try and lift the right foot above. And as you inhale, lift the right foot above. Let's try to make our back muscles, the spine, the neck muscles to go to its best extended position. Right? So take a deep breath in and let's lift the right foot. Look up. स्थिरम सुखम आसनम. वहीं पे रुके कुछ देर. Exhale down. Exhale, coming to the neutral position. Let us now once again allow the same leg to go back. Okay? तो श्वास भरेंगे और कुछ देर रहेंगे इसी स्थिति में. श्वास भरते हुए पीछे पैर और गर्दन पीछे. Stay here. Great. And let us now dropping the knee on the floor. Let us start with the other leg. श्वास भरते हुए बाएं पैर को सीधा करते हुए ऊपर की तरफ देखने का प्रयास. Exhale down. Once again, take a deep breath in. और मैं अभी देख रही हूँ आपको. Take a deep breath in and lift up. Everyone at the same time, lift up. चैताली, वंदना, अपनी वीडियो क्यों ऑफ किया है? कल से नहीं चलेगा. And stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. मीना जी कंफर्टेबल हो ना आप? Exhale down. Exhale down. Yes. So, किसी को कोई क्रैम्पिंग तो नहीं, क्रैम्प का महसूस तो नहीं हुआ ना? एवरीवन वाज कंफर्टेबल. इफ अगर हाँ जी,
हाँ मुझे ना कुछ इमरजेंसी, मैं तुरंत अभी स्विच ऑफ कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, ओके, टेक केयर. यस, ठीक है.
ओके.
ठीक है.
मैम ठीक हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
अच्छा, नाइस. ओके. तो कभी भी अगर कोई इश्यू आए तो प्लीज मुझे बता देना, मैं यहीं पे हूँ. आपको अनम्यूट होने की सुविधा है यहाँ पे. Yes, so let us now get back to the position and we'll now engage our arms too. Okay? श्वास भरते हुए अब हम राइट हैंड को भी ऊपर ले जाएंगे और हम बैलेंस करने का प्रयास करेंगे. सो लेट अस नाउ ट्राई एंड बैलेंस. अच्छा, एक ध्यान रखना, अब जैसे मैं तो आपको देखने के लिए, मैं तो साइड में आप देख रही हूँ, बट आपको सामने देखना है, राइट? और सामने देखते समय आपको अपने शरीर को बैलेंस भी रखना है, एक ही जगह पे भार न जाए, है ना? सो ट्राई कीपिंग अ नाइस बैलेंस सो दैट you are, for instance, you may also slightly tilt your left leg ताकि आप एक प्रॉपर स्थिति में रह पाए. ओके, stay there for some time. मैं तो आपको देखूंगी, है ना? So like I can probably do it like this. Take a deep breath in and lift the right foot above and the right hand going above. Stay here for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ध्यान रहे कि आपका पैर और आपका हाथ सीधी एक सीध में होना चाहिए. Exhale down. जैसे I had seen somewhere like this way, tilted position. So do not do that way. फिर से एक बार श्वास भरते हुए उसी पैर से. Yes, take a deep breath in and lift the right foot and right hand above so that they are in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great, relax. Relax in this position of Marjariasan. श्वास भरेंगे और दूसरे पैर से अब हम यही अभ्यास को दोहराएंगे. Right? So take a deep breath in and first we'll allow the other leg to go behind, and as that goes behind, let us look up. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. फिर से एक बार श्वास भरेंगे और पूरी तन्मयता के साथ, पूरी सजगता के साथ अब हम होल्ड करेंगे for 30 seconds. Okay? Take a deep breath in and let us lift the left foot above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9. Great. Exhale down. And let us now get ready to also lift the hand up. तो हथेली भी आप ऊपर जाएगी. सेम दूसरे पे हाथ से, है ना? श्वास भरेंगे और बाएं हाथ को बाएं पैर की सीध में रखना है. Right? In one line. Lift and stay. 1, 2. exhale down, release. Let us now relax by surrendering down. So we'll keep our buttocks pressing the shin bone. Let's exhale completely. Let us exhale totally. Allowing the hands to really stretch forward. तो अपने हाथों को आगे की तरफ ले जाते हुए भावना करें कि कोई आपके हथेलियों को पुल कर रहा है, right? Allow yourself to really stretch in this process. Exhaling completely. Let us now get ready for the next abhyas. So we worked on the spine. जो हमारे ये मणके होते हैं ना, there are vertebras, and they are majorly responsible for keeping us erect. अगर इनमें कोई issue आता है, then there is this intervertebral disc issues what we face, right? So it's very important that we keep these discs very much in proper condition. उसके लिए क्या करना है, आपको नियमित रूप से योगाभ्यास के साथ साथ हाइड्रेटेड रहना भी बहुत जरूरी होता है, क्योंकि अगर हम पानी की कमतरता होती है शरीर में, अल्टीमेटली उसके फिर रेपरकशंस महसूस होने लगते हैं. So that's why always keep a water bottle always with you. Now let us begin by allowing the lower leg region to get strengthened, right? So let us attain the position of wide angle. So you have to allow your both the legs to spread out. Yes, allowing both the legs to spread out, keeping a nice gap between both of them. So आपका जितना मैक्सिमम हो, मतलब जहाँ पे आपका प्रॉपरली स्टेबल रहने की सुविधा हो उसमें रहेंगे, और भावना करें कि there is this nice stretch happening in the lower arms, lower leg region. Take a deep breath in and we'll try to feel those nerves by allowing the hands to really press and push the region of the knee. Yes, great. Let us now fold the left leg so that the sole part is touching the inner thigh. तो टखने को, पैर के टखने को जंघा के नीचे अंदर, in the perineal point you have to fix. Having fixed it at the perineal point, so you see there is no gap. तो यहाँ पे अंदर का hamstring and the अंदर का gastrocnemius muscle. Gastrocnemius muscle is what we call as calf muscles in the local terms, right? ये पूरा एक दूसरे से चिपके हुए हैं like a fevicol. Right? Take a deep breath in and allowing the other foot, right foot, to extend out totally. Breathe in, stretch the arms, allowing both the fingers, both the hands to interlock, open up to the sky, stretch out. पूरी हथेलियों में एक अलग सा कंपन महसूस होना चाहिए. Stretch out totally. Exhale and you have to try bending forward and catch the toe. आपको अपने 2 fingers and thumb की मदद से आगे जाते हुए माथा या फिर शरीर लगाने का प्रयास करना है. तो just trunk region should be extending forward. So Satyam Babuji, just check if you are comfortable with it, okay? Otherwise you may skip. So we have to exhale down, and in the process try allowing your nose to touch the knee. Nasika ka agrabal, top tip of the nose should be trying to press the knee, right? And in this process we are exhaling totally, right? तो जब जिनको लंबर का इशू होता है ना, वो यूजुअली पीछे जाने का तो प्रयास कर सकते हैं, बट आगे में उनको थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होता है, right? So if you have any such severe issue, I will advise that do not do the practice of forward bend, है ना? बाकी कर सकते हैं, श्वास भरेंगे. So you may probably do the other way around. आप पीछे देखने का प्रयास करना. You just try yourself to extend out in the process. Yes, allowing the shoulder blades to really stretch. Take a deeper breath in. Even in the case of hernia, if there is this extra protruding bone, it gives it might give a pain. So it depends कि कहाँ पे है वो issue, right? So if you are comfortable, then you may progress forward. तो आपको अपनी शरीर पर ध्यान देते हुए किसी भी uncomfortable महसूस स्थिति में न रहते हुए exhale, progress down. So in this process, we are allowing the lower muscles, lower leg regions to really stretch. Yes. Stay here for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, nice. Great. Come up, breathe in and release. Great, great, great. अच्छा, अब इसी में स्टेट में थे, राइट? एंड नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू स्ट्रेच आउट. तो जैसे हम आगे गए थे वैसे हमें पीछे जाना है, बट इस पीछे जाने की प्रक्रिया में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, दैट यू वुड बी अलाउइंग योर हिप रीजन टू एक्सटेंड आउट अप, राइट? तो श्वास भरेंगे और एक्सटेंड करेंगे सो दैट you give a nice stretch for this leg. जो आगे की तरफ था उसी को up stretch करना है and try extending out. Stay here for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Exhale, drop down, relax. Let us now do the same practice with the other side. Yes. So let us extend the foot which was curled in to out. और दूसरे पैर जैसे कि बाएं पैर को अब हम नजदीक रखते हुए इनर सोल, इनर थाई प्रेस करते हुए, आई थिंक द राइट फुट ना, this time right foot curled in, and allow yourself to really extend forward. So firstly, stretch up, and as you stretch, allow your leg also, sole to also extend out, right? Stretch completely and exhale, progress forward. And as we progress, allow the leg linings to also get strength within. Exhale completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and release. Once again, inhale, stretch the arms. And as we exhale, allow the trunk region to touch over the front quadriceps part. Right? तो ये हमारे quadriceps होते हैं. Exhale and allow your chest linings to really press forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And release. And release. Great. Let us now allow ourselves to really stretch out. Inhale and try extending out so that we lift the hip and we press the fingers on the floor. So relax your head so that it just lies in its own nice, comfortable position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Exhale down. Relax. And let us now allow both the legs to now stretch out completely, attaining the Dandasana Sthiti. Dandasana is when your spine is erect and the dand की भांति आपके पैर सीधे रहेंगे like a stick. Let's try to now allow the right foot to get closer to the hip so that we now press this inner hamstring region. So catch hold your inner hamstring. राइट हैमस्ट्रिंग को पकड़ेंगे हथेलियों से, श्वास भरते हुए एक्सटेंड आउट अप, श्वास भरते हुए राइट लेग रेज्ड अबव, स्टे देयर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Exhale down. Great. Take a deep breath in and raise above. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Exhale down. Once again, take a deep breath in and stretch up. 1 2 3 4 5. Really feeling the nice stretch happening. 7 8 9 10. Exhale down. Release. Let's now catch hold the other side. Take a deep breath in. Allow your left leg to get strength within, pressing the hamstrings. Take a deep breath in and stretch up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Exhale, release. Once again, take a deep breath in. श्वास भरेंगे. Fill the lungs in with the positive vibes of your environment and lift up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Great. Release and relax. Let us now allow both the palm region, हमारे दोनों हथेलियों का अंदर का भाग जमीन पर सटाकर रखेंगे. Press it properly, press that point properly, and let's try to lift the hips up. Lifting the hip up, let's make it an attempt to allow the soles of the feet to really press on the floor. Stay here for some time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Exhale down. Great. Exhale down. Relax. Let's once again take a deeper breath in and we'll lift up. And as we lift up, try making the perineal point to really expand, है ना? श्वास भरेंगे और पूर्ण ध्यान हमारा extension पे रहेगा. Yes, try stretching out completely. 1 and relax. Exhale, relax. Let us now allow ourselves to really twist, है ना? तो क्या करेंगे? अब जैसे हम पीछे गए थे, ऊपर गए थे, उसी प्रकार अब हमें क्या करना है? दोनों हाथों को लेफ्ट साइड से रखते हुए, लेफ्ट साइड में रखते हुए नीचे झुककर नाक लगाने की कोशिश करें. Okay, so if you have no issue with the spine specific, then you may do this practice. It's a wonderful. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. जो हमारे पीछे के muscles होते हैं ना, they get a nice relaxation in the process. So if you feel that you want some water, grab a bottle, take some water for some time. After having one sip, let's now get back. Take a deep breath in and let's go behind. So as we go down, we have to exhale, right? So when we go down, we have to exhale. When we come back, inhale, exhale, go down. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale the other side. Inhale, come back to the center, and let's do this for 5 more rounds. And last, relax. Great. Let us now allow the back spine to really get stretched. So once again, इसी स्थिति में दोनों हथेलियों को पीछे रखते हुए अब हम लिफ्ट करेंगे बटक्स को और हिप्स को, और साथ ही साथ अपनी शरीर को बाईं और दाईं ले जाने का प्रयास करेंगे. So you just check this out first. So in the process, what we are going to do? We are going to press the heel region, जो कि majorly responsible होता है sciatica, insomnia का acupressure point. Yes. So let's keep our hands behind. Take a deep breath in. So for if you have any heel pain also, that will get cured. Take a deep breath in, stretch out, and let's try to bend and twist left and right. One. Breathing normally and release. ये घड़ी तो मुझे बहुत yes. With this, let us now get ready for the next abhyas, which is moreover known to be associated with going forward and backward. So, अब हम क्या करेंगे उससे पहले? So, firstly, let's try to go in a maximum forward position. तो श्वास भरेंगे, extending out. Let's try to allow the chest muscles to really press the quadriceps. Inhale and exhale. Let's try to catch the toes. तो पैर का जो अंगूठा है, दोनों पैरों के अंगूठों को पकड़ते हुए सामने की तरफ झुकने का प्रयास करेंगे as we exhale, right? So let's empty out totally, allowing this exhalation to progress forward. Breathe in, come up, exhale, release. Once again, take a deep breath in. And we'll try catching hold the toes back again. Exhale. Acha, Satin Bauji, you just check, okay? Yeah, you practice jata ka nati because it might give you a pain. If you're comfortable, then it's well and good, right? So, हमारी योगिता जी इस अभ्यास को आप avoid करो क्योंकि आपको जैसे कहा आप अपने ही बता रहे हैं. So you're not told to do that. For that, you can extend yourself behind and just stay there. Yes. पाद हस्तासन में सबसे importantly हम exhale करते हुए जाते हैं ना सामने. It gives a nice strengthening अभ्यास for the lower leg muscles. So come up again, breathe in. And let us now allow both of the hands to really press the toes. Just a second. Hello? Okay, okay, my yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, all right. So then you extend forward, exhale, and allow yourself to really surrender forward completely. Let's stay here for some time, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, क्या कर रहे हो बिंदा? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Great. See, I saw many of you are doing it, but जो चाहिए मुझे वो नहीं हो रहा है. Like for instance, I want you all to really progress forward. अगर हो सके तो try doing this. So आप अपनी दोनों fingers की मदद से toes को पकड़ना, अपनी तरफ खींचना. पता है ये अंगूठे को प्रेस करने का भी एक अलग इम्पोर्टेंस है. So when we press that point, it is stimulating the brain also, because acupressure, Sujok acupressure के according, the thumb and the big toe is associated with the brain, right? So when we press that point, it is stimulating a good pressure for the brain impulses. साथ ही साथ जब हम आगे झुकते हैं ना, देखो, try pressing yourself forward, extend forward, see if you are able to do that. जब हम करते हैं तब हमारी पैरों की मांसपेशियां भी एक तरह से स्ट्रेच हो जाती है. अपनी तरफ लाने का कोशिश करें. Try getting your both the toes towards you, and in this process extend forward. And as we extend, just allow yourself to drop your head down. ओके, तो मैं अभी देखती हूँ क्या हो रहा है. आप करो. रीना मौसी किधर चले? ओके, कर. So let me see Trisha and Prisha. Yes, Avni is doing nicely. Okay. करो. Where is Trisha? Hello. Yes. हाँ, वही लिंक है जो मैंने आपको भेजा है. या यू जस्ट प्रेस एनी ऑफ द लिंक. हाँ. यस, 6 बजे से स्टार्ट हुई है क्लास. या 6 बजे से स्टार्ट हुई. हाँ, आपको पता नहीं क्या? नहीं, 6 AM. हाँ, ओके, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Firstly, join in the class. हाँ, join in. So everyone come in the neutral position. श्वास भरो और वहीं पे स्थित रहना. ठीक है? Okay. So Reema ji, what you have to do is basically with this, let us now finally come to the position so that we allow, for if you are in the periods, you need not do the practice of contracting your abdomen part. Okay, so Reena Shahnawaz, that's why you were not doing it. Okay, so it's okay. All right. उसके बाद अब हम क्या करेंगे? What we have to do is basically allow our both the soles to come forward, come towards us, allowing the soles to really press each other, getting the heels close to the hip, getting the heel close to the hip. Let us now allow the thigh muscles to go down and up. Breathe in and try flapping down. Yes, let's keep flapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as we flap, see देखो मैं बहुत जनों को देख रही हूँ, आपके पंख ऊपर ही उड़ रहे हैं. Allow them to really press down, especially younger ones. So the younger kids should not have this inflexibility. Try extending now. Yes. Give that pressure so that you allow your shin bones to press down. I'm pointing out to Vrinda actually. अच्छा हो रहा है ना अभी? चलो good. Do it. Okay. So let's keep doing it so that we relax the hip region. Allow yourself to really extend down completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. And with this, let us now allow ourselves to finally come to the sthiti of making us in the Vajrasana, attaining the Vajrasana. Okay, so let's attain Vajrasana, and this is called as Thunderbolt position. Thunderbolt position is when you allow your hip, the bottom lines to press, right? So you have to sit on your shin bone. Having seated on the shin bone, let's try to allow the body to stand on the knees. घुटनों के बल खड़े रहेंगे. घुटनों के बल खड़े रहते हुए श्वास भरेंगे और पीछे जाने का प्रयास. श्वास भरेंगे और पीछे. Right? So allow your right hand to go behind and the other left hand is on the thigh. तो श्वास भरते हुए only दाहिने हथेली को पीछे लेते हुए allow it to get hold of on the thigh, on the heel. So press the heel with the help of the right hand and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, release. Relax. Once again, breathe in. Standing on the knees, we'll keep our right hand on the right thigh. Take a deep breath in and let's go behind. Allowing the left hand to touch the left heel. Exhale. 1, 2. Great. Exhale. Get the left hand on the normal position. अब इसी स्थिति में अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? हथेलियों को पीछे की तरफ इंटरलॉक करें. श्वास भरते हुए खड़े हो जाएंगे. Stand on your both the knees. Standing on both the knees, let's try to extend behind. Extend behind. Extend behind. हाँ जी.
सकते हैं अगर नी पेन हो रहा हो तो.
अगर नी पेन हो रहा हो तो ना करो.
क्योंकि आप अपने घुटनों पे बल दोगे ना एक्स्ट्रा, अगर नी पेन है तो फिर नी पेन मतलब कहाँ पे, घुटनों पे है एक्चुअल पेन, और लाइक द साइड लाइंस ऑफ द घुटनों पे है ना। आप वज्रासन में नहीं बैठ सकते ना, तो आप हाँ, आप इसको अवॉइड करो।
टॉवेल रख के उस पे घुटना रख सकते हैं।
हाँ ऐसा कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो ना कुशन ले लीजिए। You can even get a cushion in front so that you can press the both the knees. तो आपको एक अलग सा comfort महसूस होगा and it will not get painful. So you can keep a cushion on your knees, under knees. So फायदे का फायदा में मिल जाएगा, लाभ में मिल जाएगा, and you will not feel the pain also. Right? Let us now release and sit in the Vajrasana. Release, sit in the Vajra Asana. So इस posture को हम वज्रासन क्यों कहते हैं? Because this is like thunderbolt position. When we are in the stable position, we thereby stimulate the Vajra Nadi, which is which is responsible for the good digestive system. So that's why this is the only asana which is recommended even after food, like just after food. खाना खाने के बाद तो हमें बैठने को कहते हैं इसमें. So as to stimulate good digestive system, because जो हमारी ये पिंडलियां है ना, these parts are very much responsible for good digestion, right? So after having done the Ushtrasana, for if you are comfortable, this is very optional, okay? क्या करना है पूर्ण उष्ट्रासन की तरफ. तो this is for the younger kids if you are there right now. So क्या करना होता है, probably आप अपने बच्चों को भी कैसे दिखा सकते हो इस practice को. What you have to do is basically allow yourself to firstly stand on the knees. श्वास भरते हुए पहले तो आप अपने रीढ़ की हड्डी को रेडी करो, so as to go behind, है ना, और हथेली को पीछे ले जाते हुए दोनों हाथ साथ में, ओके, हथेलियों को पीछे ले जाते हुए try getting down and down and down till it reaches the sole. It gives a humongous pressure on the spine. Slowly, then after 30 seconds, you have to come to the normal position. अब इसमें preliminary practice में आप अपने रीढ़ स्पाइन को अंगूठे से प्रेस करते हुए पीछे ले जाएंगे, सभी ले जाएंगे. We are not going to the advance, but we just allow ourselves to extend back. श्वास भरेंगे और पीछे जाने का प्रयास, बस केवल पीछे. Allow your legs to stay there. And extend forward. Exhale, extend forward. Great. All right. Relax. So for those of you who are done with the 6 to 7 a.m. class, let us join both the palms together, mentally surrendering to the Almighty, relaxing the facial muscles, relaxing the calf muscles. Let us now chant Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjalira Natosmi. Om. Let us rub our both palms together and press them over the eyes and namaste. Okay, so
Ma'am, second session.
yes, it's there. This is for Satyan Bauji and Reena Maushi. Okay, done na? Bye bye, take care. Have a nice day. Okay, great. So let us now shift and progress towards the second session. Let me complete this recording.